Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Dear students, today I will solve for you Pearson Edexcel IGCSE exam paper 1H for high type. Paper reference code was 4MA 1/1H. It was taken by Wednesday, 8th of November 2023. Let us start with question number 1. First of all, read these instructions. Answer all 24 questions are there. Write your answer in spaces provided. You must write down all the stages in your working. In each video, I will solve for you 6 questions. So in my playlist, you will find 4 videos, okay, for each paper. Let us start with question number 1. Here is a Venn diagram. Universal set is there. The subsets are A and B. The elements are given there inside A and B. List the numbers of the set what are given in A. So you have to write all these numbers that are inside A. So you know that they are 7, 9, 5, 15, 13 and 11. These numbers are in A. So you have to write in the given space. It is of 1 mark, so directly you can write. Better if you write in order. So it will be 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Count these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all are written here. Okay. So now for the next part, you have to take intersection. We know that intersection means the common between them. Okay. This is the intersection part. You know this one. Okay. This one is the intersection part between A and B, the common part. So it is 5 and 15. Therefore, answer will be 5 and 15 for this part. Okay. So answer for this is 5 and 15. Now in the last part, A union B complement. This means not in A union B. Simple. Okay. So what is not in A and B? So we can write these numbers 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. So we can write directly here 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. So question 1 is done. Now factorize fully. How to factorize? The first rule for factorization is taking the common number. Find the common between these two. First of all, it is clear P is common. And what is common between 18 and 12? That is 6. Because 6 is the highest common multiple. So you can write over here 6P is common. Because 6 is outside of this 12PQ, so it left with 2Q only. How to check it? You multiply. Okay, 6 multiply 2, 12PQ. Again you are getting the same answer. Minus 18, if you take out 6, so it left with 3 only. So 6P multiply 3 is 18P. So our answer is right. You have to write your answer in the given space. 6P into 2Q minus 3. So question number 2, first part is done. There are 56 metal bars in a box. Each metal bar is gold or silver or zinc. Why metal bars are gold? So why metal bar is gold? This is gold. 3y plus 7 is silver. And 2y minus 5 is zinc. Work out the number of metal bars that are zinc. So you need to find this. Okay. And total metal bars are 56. So this question looks very simple. If you add up all these gold, silver, zinc, you must have the answer 56. So what we will do, we will add all these metal bars like y plus 3y plus 7 plus 2y minus 5, and answer should be equals to 56. Now better you must get the value of y from here. Collect all y's together. Y plus 3y is 4y. 4 plus 2y is 6y. 7 minus 5 is 2. 56. Implies that this goes to the other side and it will be minus there. Okay. 56 minus 2 will be 54. And in the last step, you will divide by 6. Divide by 6. Because 6 is multiplying here, you divide by 6. So it will, y will be 9. Here you are dividing by 6. But you need to find the number of metal bars in zinc. We know that for zinc, what are the metal bars? They are 2y minus 5. So use the value of y here. 2 into 9 minus 5. And answer will be 18 minus 5 is 13. So finally, your answer should be written in the given space, 13. Okay. 3. Joshua buys a car for $12,500. He sells the car to Nina. Nina pays. Joshua buys by this amount. Okay. Now he is selling his car to Nina. How much Nina deposit? Or you can write Nina pays. First of all, she pays $1,500 plus she paid for 36 months, for every month $450. So $450 will be multiplied by 36. Here $1,500, and you can get the answer for this. 450 multiplied 36 equals $16,200. Add these two amounts. Answer will be $17,700. Okay. We want to find the percentage profit. Okay. He bought this car by $12,500 and sold his car by $17,700. So he got the profit. What is the amount of profit? We can get it easily by subtracting this amount from 17,700. So 17,700 minus 12,500 gives you the answer $5,200. So this is the profit. But we want to find the percentage of the profit. How much percent of the profit he got? So actual price was 12,500, and he got the profit. So we want to find the profit percentage. Percentage profit. Very easy method. We will divide this amount by the actual amount. 12,500 and multiply by 100%. Okay. Now we'll get the answer. If you want to find the loss percent, we will divide loss by the actual, multiply by 100. If you want to get the profit percent, we divide the profit by the actual amount and then multiply by 100. This is the rule to get the percentages for profit percent or loss percent. Okay. So you will get the answer for this. It will be 41.6%. Okay. 41.6%. So you must write the answer here. Percent is already given, so you must write here 41.6 only. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. Question number 4. A biased spinner has 3 sections, each of different curve. The table shows the probability that when the spinner is spun once, it will land on blue. It will land on blue or on orange or on white. The probability for blue is given, that is 0.58. The probability for orange is 2x. Probability for white is x. Work out the value of x. If you know the rule for probabilities, we know that the total probability for any event is always equals to 1. In this case, we have these three events like blue, orange, or getting white. So we'll add them all. It should be equals to 1. 0.58 plus 2x plus x is equals to 1. Again, I'm repeating my words. Probability for any event, all the events in one experiment is always equals to 1. Maximum probability. Okay. So we can write all these three values. Sum of all these three values should be equals to 1. This 0.58 will go to the other side. It will be minus for sure. And 2x plus x can be added together. So it will be 3x equals to 1 minus 0.58. And 3x will be equals to 0.42. Okay. And then for sure we will divide by 3 and we get the answer as 0.42 divided by 3, and value of x will be equals to 0.14. So you should write this answer in the given space, 0.14. Now the spinner is spun 250 times. 250 times. Work out and estimate the number of times the spinner will land on blue. If you go back to the table, this is the probability for one time. Okay. If you spin the spinner one time only, this is the probability. Okay. Now if you want to find the number of times the spinner will land on blue, you must multiply that value by 250 times. Okay. So 250 times, work out the estimate for the number of times. 250 multiplies 0.58. 250 multiplies 0.58. So it is 145 times. Again, write the answer in given space. Okay, it will land on blue 145 times. Okay. Question number 5. The diagram shows a shaded shape made from identical semicircles. Semicircles are x, y, and z. A, B, C, D, E is a straight line. AC is the diameter for sure. AC is the diameter for x. BD is the diameter for y, and CE is the diameter for z. And all these diameters are 20 centimeter. It means there are three semicircles. Okay. For diameter is 20 for each. So radius, you know that radius for each circle will be 20 divided by 2. That will be equals to 10 centimeter for sure. Okay. And perimeter of circle is equals to 2 pi r. If you remember, perimeter for one circle, in other words, circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi r. Okay. For semicircle, it will be equals to pi r. 2 pi r divided by 2, so it will be equals to pi r. Hopefully you understand this. So there are three semicircles and we want to find the perimeter for all the shaded parts. Okay, like if you want to find the perimeter for x, this will be x for sure. Okay, this is the perimeter for x. This is the perimeter for z. Okay, and this one is the perimeter for y. But this is not the complete perimeter. Still you have to find this part. Okay, for sure this part is 10 because it is the radius, it is 10, and this is also 10. So there are three semicircles and these two more sides. Okay, you have to add them together to find the total perimeter for this shaded region. Let's go to solve this question. Perimeter of the shaded shape. Now, first of all, you have to find perimeter of three semicircles. So it will be equals to 3 times pi r. Okay, 3 times pi r. Because every radius for each semicircle is r is 10, we already got. So it will be 3 multiply pi multiply 10. So you can write as 30 pi. Because we want to find to the whole number, so better you get the answer. Our answer will be 30 pi if you use calculator. Our answer to the whole number, actually my answer on calculator shows this answer 2 4 7, or you can round up rounds up, so it will be 8 like this. But you want to write the whole number, okay, up to this only, up to this 94. Look at the next number after this, that is less than 5, so you can write as 94 only. Okay, 94 is the perimeter for three semicircles. As I told you before, you have to add these two sides all to get the total perimeter. Okay, therefore total perimeter will be equals to 94 plus 10 plus 10. You can write here to the whole number. Okay, this is the whole number actually. So our answer will be 114 and unit will be centimeters. Okay, I hope you understand this question. If you did not understand any step, please ask me in the comment box. Okay, so it will be 114 centimeter. 114 is the answer. Question number 6. For question number 6, John wants to buy a ticket to fly from Madrid to Berlin. He finds two different types of ticket he can buy in a sale, ticket A and ticket B. This is 1/6 of normal price. If normal price of ticket A is X, so 1/6 of means he pays 5/6 of 1/6 and he pays 5/6. Okay, this is very important. And let's say this is 20% off. This is normal price. Let's say it is Y. He pays off is 20%. It means he pays 80%. 80%. Okay, he pays 80%. I hope you understand this step also. Okay, the sale price for A is 140. This is the sale price. This is not the normal price. Okay, and this is also the sale price after discount, 136 for B. Work out the difference between normal price for A and normal price of B. So you need to find the values of X and Y. Then you take the difference. Okay. Now, I suppose for ticket A, normal price is X. I already supposed it. Okay. He pays 5/6 of X. He pays 5/6 of X, and he got the price 140. From here, you can easily get the value of X, like the price for normal. So it will be 140 multiplied 6/5. Use calculator, you will get the answer for this. It will be 168 euros. Now for ticket B, this is the normal price of that ticket, 168 euros, and 140 is the sale price. Now again, similarly, we will get the normal price for B, ticket B. He pays 80% of Y. So you can write as 80% of Y. 80% means 80 over 100 of Y, and this is equals to 136. From here, you will get the value for Y. 136 multiply 100 over 80. So let's say what is the answer? 136 multiply 100 divide by 80. We get the answer 170. So it is 170. Actually, we want to find the difference between these normal prices. So what will be the difference? We will minus them. 170 minus 168, and it will be equals to 2 euros. So this is the answer, and you can write over here in the given space 2. So question number 6 is done.